Broke Urban Farmer. I was out in the garden today because it's a nice day out. I was getting some rabbit time in, playing with the dogs, and I realized I never harvested the potatoes. So that's what we did today. Here we go. Good time as always. The aftermath of the potato harvest. All right, there it is. So as you can see, not very many potatoes, but it was my first year and I've definitely got some learning in on it and some new ideas for the next year. Okay, so there are the potatoes all cleaned up. As you can see, I got some multicolored ones here. I got the purples, some reds, some pinks. These are supposed to be russet potatoes there. Didn't get very big, did they? No. But for my first year, I will take what I got. This was just some Walmart roots that I popped into a tire. So I've done me some learning, and hopefully next year I can do a bit better. So do y'all have any suggestions on potatoes that I should be getting? As far as like the a type that will produce a lot, and that might work better with the tire system going up the towers. These potatoes all stayed down in the bottom tire. They didn't end up going up into the top at all. So if you have any suggestions, share them down below, and or if you had made a video of it, post the link to the video and I'll go and watch it and do some more learning that way too. I do like the multicolored and the red potatoes and stuff like that, but I also want to do like a traditional potato as well. So any suggestions, I'll take them. Put them down in the links or comments below. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.